What's up, guys? MC Grammar here. We are going to be going over your homework from the weekend. Let's look at those topic sentences. Just a reminder, on pages 16 and 17 of our notebooks, we have tons of notes here to help us with our different types of topic sentences. All right, so the first one is power statements. So we talked about these on Friday. For power statements, you are going to do a couple of different things that's listed here. We are trying to look for these three things. So we need to look for words from the prompt. That's always going to be number one. A number word for power statements, as well as our three main points. So a power statement, guys, just gets to the point. There's no hidden anything. It's just boom, right here, okay? So let's take a look at our first example for homework. Right here we got the prompt. It says cats are the best pets. So we know that we have to write about cats being the best pet. It also gives us our main points. They are cuddly, smart, and fun to play with, all right? So here below, I've written my answer in red, and then I've highlighted and annotated the way the directions asked me to. So for a power statement, I would say, cats are the best for many reasons, including they are cuddly, smart, and fun to play with. I have my words from the prompt underlined. I have my number word, I highlighted it because I can't circle it, and then I also have my three main points highlighted in black. So you guys can see here, I have everything taken care of, all right? So as we check through these next ones for power statement, please check your paper, and if you need to make changes, go ahead and do so, okay? Number two, eating healthy food is important. Obviously, right? So here we have our power statement once again. We're going to make sure we have a number word in there. There are several reasons eating healthy food is good for people, and then I have my main points, including it keeps people healthy physically, mentally, and emotionally. So I highlighted those once again. Number word, word from the prompt. Got my three main points. We're looking good. All right, next one. We have power statement about music is an excellent hobby. So I'm just going to come out and say that. That's what I believe. Music is an excellent hobby for these three reasons. All right, it is creative, relaxing, and helps the brain develop. You guys can see right here, those were given to us. Again, I have my words from the prompt right here. I have my number word, and I have my three main points. Hopefully you're doing well so far. All right, and last but not least, on our power statements, we have a power statement about sports being a great after-school activity. So again, I'm just going to say it. Sports are a great after-school activity. No nonsense, right? So boom, right here, my word is from the prompt there. Sports are a great after-school activity for numerous reasons. That's my number word. They are fun, promote healthy behavior, and teach teamwork. All right, so hopefully you guys are checking yours, making changes now. I noticed that for my power statements, almost all of the time, my word from the prompt is straight up. It's right there. It's right at the beginning of my sentence, okay? So with power statements, we're just getting straight to it, okay? All right, we're going to flip that over. Now we're going to look at OP statements. For that, we're going to need our notes. There's a word bank down here on our notes. That's going to be really important that we use that, okay? So some of us were confused about OP statements on Friday. An OP statement is where you state the occasion and then the position. In a way, with an OP statement, what you're going to do is look at the other side before yours. So let's look at our first example. It tells us that cats are the best pet. We know that's what we are arguing or what we're writing about, okay? So now we're going to go to the O part, the occasion, and talk to the other side. So we would say something like, although some people believe dogs are the best, or although some people like other types of pets, right? Occasion, we're looking at pets in general. Then we state our position, which is right here, cats are the best, right? And then we know why, because of our main points. So I wrote, although some people think that dogs are the best, cats are really the best because they are cuddly, smart, and fun to play with. So again, guys, I address the other side first, or kind of state the occasion before I put my words from the prompt. They will always come after the comma on this one. And then I will always, after that, list my three reasons why. All right, so check your work on this one again with me. Let's try the next one and see how that goes for us, okay? Some people may believe that eating Cheetos all day is fine, but eating healthy food is important because it keeps people healthy physically, mentally, and emotionally. So again, guys, that prompt first said eating healthy food is important. So I went and I said, some people may believe that eating Cheetos all day is great, because it is. But then I went to my position, which is why eating healthy is good. So again, my words from the prompt are after that comma, and I'm highlighting my transition words that are coming straight here from my notebook. All right, number 3. Music is an excellent hobby, so I'm going to say what people might not believe or might say against that. Though some people think music is not a hobby, music is an excellent hobby because it is creative, relaxing, and helps brain development, excuse me. So again, my words from the prompt, those come after my occasion. That's always going to be after the comma. And finally, my last one. I hope you guys can't see it here. Let me move. All right. So down here we have our prompt. Sports are a great after-school activity. And it says, whereas, so that's another word straight from my list here. Some people don't enjoy sports. Sports are a great after-school activity because they are fun, promote healthy behavior, and teach teamwork. So guys, again, right here, that's where I'm getting my language from the prompt. You might even notice that basically we have a power statement after the comma. We just have to address what people might argue against or might not believe at first. We address that first for occasion, position, okay? So hopefully you guys made some corrections. Pause this video as you need to, and that's kind of getting you in the right idea for topic sentences. Peace out.